We're right here today at Virginia Beach and we're going on a dolphin cruise. At least one dolphin apart.
Yeah, quick picture.
We are finally on the move here.
And move around the boat throughout your entire trip today. Just be mindful that you are on a boat. You can get more rocky at times. Of course, we ask that there is no running or jumping, no standing on those benches, no children on your shoulders, and no smoking or vaping before the mini flipper. And if you cannot
The rocks are covered in seagull poop.
You wear your mask as well. You have some inside if you didn't bring yours.
I'm gonna name that Turd Island.
Gray boats heading our way. Cabin. The monitor set up the neck. That's switched over to the pilot house. You're getting to see exactly what Captain Rudee is seeing.
Right, it's right there, Max.
The right-hand side of that monitor has our bottom reader.
Right over there. Wait for him to come up.
And if there's any schools of fish below us as well.
Give me just a second.
And our speed and the water temperature on there. Water temperature is
over that way too,
about
so.
68 degrees. Perfect for our dolphins.
There we go. Oh, straight ahead of you, Max. See him?
I actually saw one splash.
Yeah. There's a big group coming through here. There's 3 more coming.
So notice how close to the shoreline these dolphins hang out. We are spinning the boat, guys, so you're going to see them off our front left side now, fourth side of us. Still have some over there on the right side. There you go. We got a big crowd of dolphins jumping right here, guys. Left side of us.
Right there, look, they're jumping on the water.
They're
Here he
surfing
comes.
along. Come check them out.
He comes. Woo!
Right off the back. Right. Whoa! They're going crazy. Turn those cameras over to video.
Oh, there's so many.
No, it's still going off the back of the boat. Alright, how cool was that? That was awesome.
Whoa!
He's
That
doing
was a
tricks
huge
now.
jump right off the back of the boat.
I'm done pirate. What do you think? Or I'm joining the cast of Survivor. Or I'm about to go Cinderella and watch them swap some decks and watch some floors.
Simmer down, Smee.
What?
I said simmer down, Smee.
I can do a good Smee. I played Smee once in a play when I was younger. I still got it, Captain. I can do Smee all day long. Irritating the children. Always fun.
Wave jumping.
No, I see him. You can see him under the water. staying in this one spot. It seems to be where they want to be. So we're just kind of floating around with porpoise. I thought it was a good joke. Dolphins off the port bow.
That's starboard.
No, the left side is port.
That's starboard.
That's port.
Starboard.
Nope. Oh, I just saw the seagull poop. Caught it on camera.
Okay.
Magical.
Ladies and gentlemen, right here on our right side.
I'm gonna put it in slow motion for you later.
These guys, see if they want to come cruise along with us. Wait, Brian, there's big right at that right side.
Oh, there we go. Scarlett, look right down there.
Come check them out back in the boat here, guys. They're surfing with us. Picking up some more.
Those are boys.
That dolphin's about 4 waves back here. Woo! Woo!
I can see their fins right there.
Yeah, I can see.
They're still surfing. Come right off the corner of the boat. Really close up this back right corner, guys. Really close.
Aren't you watching the dolphins? Dolphins not interest you? What's wrong with you? Are you not human? You have no soul? Are you joyless?
I'm enjoying it there.
Stupid sun.
Max watching. Did you have fun seeing dolphins, son? Yeah, which dolphin was your favorite? Did you name them all and give tell one who's your favorite? You didn't give them all names? Oh.
The guy who came up and did a twist in the air.
Scarlett,
I like the one that like comes with the water and then just swims along.
oh, okay. Did you have a favorite dolphin?
No,
You didn't name any of the dolphins and pick your favorite?
I like them all.
I like them all. Your hair looks,
We should have picked just favorites.
your hair looks crazy. We are heading back to the shore. Had a lovely time seeing tons of dolphins. My favorite dolphin was Steve. I named them all. Steve is my favorite. Anyway, heading back to shore. Thank you for watching with us and thank you for joining us. Have a lovely whatever you're having. Bye.
And we switch over to whale watching from December through March. And some special trips coming up as well. We've got a couple of elastic wildlife watching, search analysis, and really far offshore to the dolphins coming up there. We also have a net trolling trip coming up this weekend. We'll pull his head, all sorts of fish and invertebrates to talk about. And then release them all back into their home. You can find all of that information right on our website, rudeetours.com.
You caught something.
At this time, we are going to be docking this boat. Speaking of everybody, please try to find a seat for us while we dock. There we have a seat while we dock the boat. Do you know why we had such an awesome dolphin sighting today? We've got a birthday on board. Happy birthday, Angie. Thanks for joining us.
Yay, Angie. Oh, barnacles. See? Barnacles. There's a mermaid. Seriously, there's a mermaid.
On behalf of Rudee Tours, Captain Robbie, and myself and Casey, we appreciate you all riding along with us today. We hope you did enjoy your dolphin watch with us. As you are departing us, keep in mind that your two mates today, Kristen and Casey, do work for trips. They work hard to make sure your trips are more informative and more enjoyable. So if you guys enjoyed your cruise, you can show your appreciation that way. We'll have a tip jar for you at the back of the boat as you're exiting. Hang on to your seat